Hi, in this video I will show you how you can insert shapes in Canva. Canva has so many different shapes that will help you create a beautiful design, and I think shape is probably the most used feature in Canva simply because you could create a flexible element that is customizable. Basically, you can change the size, you can change the color, you can also add some features to it. And it is much better than using a regular photo because at the end of the day, shape is pretty much a vector object. So if you are new to Canva and if you want to insert some shapes, first you have to open a document and then navigate to elements. And then here, sorry about that, basically we'll see a lot of options like the recent items you're using, graphics, photos, videos, audio files, charts, but we are going to skip that. We want to go to the shapes option. So on the shapes option, you could select all, and then here you will see there are lines, and there's also shapes, and you could scroll down and see some options that is available in this section. For example, I'm going to insert a regular shape, which is a square. So this is the object that just inserted, and I'm going to move it here. If you want to change the color or you want to do some customization to it, you will see when you select the object, it will open this new menu that allows you to change property of this object. For example, I could change the color to red. I can also go to the border style and add some border to it. I can increase the border or reduce the border or not using border at all. And also there is an option for corner rounding, which is very interesting. I think this is very popular in some modern design. Basically, it will remove the edges, the corner of the square. You see it's going to be much smoother. The edge is going to look a bit smoother, almost like a circle. You could also add that, and the rest is usually for text, maybe except for animation. You could click on it and you could animate. If you want to use this shape as a presentation or a video, you could add some animation. But you can also add some text to the shape natively. You can double click on it and there will be some cursor where you can type some text in it, and that's going to be the part of the shape. So yeah, I believe that's essentially just the basic of inserting shapes in Canva. But you might have noticed that there is also an option for lines. Lines can be converted into an arrow like this. So basically, you could just insert one like this, a simple line, and you will see there's an option to increase the weight. There's also an option to change the style, and you can make the endpoint to be rounder. You can also add line end or a line start if you want to, and you can change the line type to be straight, elbowed, or curved. I think elbowed is pretty cool. You could create this is usually useful for creating family tree or art like that. Yeah, this is a line feature, and I think you're going to use this a lot in your design. But that's basically it. That's how you can use and how you can insert and use some of the shapes in Canva. There are many other options here. Of course, I cannot explain all of that here, but they are essentially almost the same. So anyway, I hope you find this video helpful and see you later.